Hey guys, what's up? I just got these floss tools from Amazon and I'm really excited specifically because I can't stand when anything shreds, and this says that it doesn't shred. So that's really cool. Oh, I didn't realize it came in these different packs, but that's actually really handy for me because I travel. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. These are supposed to be like mint flavored. I don't mind any of the different flavors, but anyway, let's take a look at them and see what they look like, and we'll kind of pick at them a little bit and see how they hold up. So here we have the pick itself. It seems pretty well made, pretty sturdy and strong. Like, can bend it a little bit, but it seems pretty well made. I actually like that it has this texture thing on here because that is going to help me grip it. And then of course you have this little pick at the end, and it does have like some texture there. And then we have this, the floss itself. So it seems to be pretty sturdy, and at least with my nail it's not like tearing or shredding, and I'm pulling at it pretty hard, so that's nice. I want to make sure these things work really well, right? Like, flossing is so important. My dentist always gets on me about it because I do floss, but I probably don't do it as often as I should. So anyway, all right, well, I like it. I think these are going to work great, and I'm pretty happy with it. Excited to use them. And I hope this was helpful for you and that you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.